rations. With sauce. We're on rations.
Where's your Auntie
I
Mel?
didn't have full.
Ah, here.
More rations for it. Just give it a whole bowl. Are you saving it?
No. Mga bata, enjoy na enjoy sa kanilang mini pavlova. Si Jan nakadalawan na, guys. Ang dami na nakain ni Jan. Fruit salad. Lahat ng dessert. Tinikman ni Jan. Eating banana with leche flan. Yeah. Leche flan, banana.
Whipped cream there.
Leche flan, banana. Good? What do you want, Mom? Cake? This one? You can always come back, Mom.
They're at home today. They've been to Alan's family.
No, thank you.
Okay. Maglinis muna ako dito sa loob. Ito, iniwan ko lang to dito sa labas kasi ano naman to, hindi naman to madaling masira. Ito yung ating adobo. Pero yung may mga sauce, nasa ref na lahat. Ay! Kita nyo yun? Ayan. Yung ating mga shells. Meron pa tayong, ayan, dito na bawasan, guys. Tanggalin ko na to dito. Bigyan natin ito si Dad, Rose, Lem. Ayan, tanggalin ko na to dito. Ayan yung ating rose lamb. Ang lucky niya, guys. So, di yan na-touch kasi hindi siya naluto on time nung kumain tayo. Ngayon, tatakpan ko lang siya ng foil. Magugas na ako kasi, oh, di ba? Ang kalat-kalat. Hugas-hugas time. Okay.
Life is a winding road.
Open up, guys. Presents time.
Magbibigay ng mga regalo. Hindi ko pa nabalot yung ano. Ibibigay ko. Meron, nung nag-shopping ako ni Zach, pumunta ako sa Priceline. Bumili ako ng pangregalo. Ito kay Mel, yung Coach. Tapos kay Mom, kasi gusto niya yung scent nito nung gamit ko before. So, binilhan ko siya. Ayan. Tommy girl. So, balutin ko lang yan ng very, very quick.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know.
Yeah, get that one under this. Ayan yung dala ni Auntie Mel. Tingnan nyo. Ang dami na naman nilang ito yung sa amin. I have to get the chocolate. I'm gonna get this. We give one for Shannon, one for Uncle Jace, and one for... We give one for Shannon, hon.
Shannon.
Yeah. Which one you think?
I'll do Pa.
Yeah, I'm gonna do with Pa. And then Uncle
Can I
Jace.
have wrapping one?
No, we don't have to wrap this.
I'll take this.
Okay. Bring that one. Yeah, that one, Zach. What's wrong here? Holly, open. How about the other one there? The big.
Oh, can he not carry it?
Where is?
Can you carry it?
I'm gonna get this. We give one for Shannon, one for Uncle Jace, and one for... We give one for Shannon, hon.
Shannon.
Yeah. Which one you think?
I'll do Pa.
Yeah, I'm gonna do with Pa. And then Uncle
Can I have
Jace.
wrapping one?
No, we don't have to wrap this.
I'll take this.
Okay. Bring that one. Yeah, that one, Zach. What's wrong here? Holly, open. How about the other one there? The big.
Oh, can he not carry it?
Where is?
Can you carry it? Sure?
Sure. Do you have strong muscles? Meron pa kasi ayun. Wow! Is that for me? Mami na. Yan yung regalo namin kay mom and dad.
So yeah, man, they got, Tim said, so I'll let us know.
Hati kami.
I think it's only heavy because
Merry Christmas. Ayan. Ang ganda.
I think it's only heavy because of the bottles of green.
You got lots of that alcohol joke. Not alcohol. Lollies. Wow, nice. Merry Christmas. What's that one? Oh, how cute.
How cute is it?
Nice. That's from
Look at Roland's
that's from Talana.
Go to the August one.
Ang cute ng ano nila, oh. Regalo kay Nana. Oh, that's cute.
What I'm saying is they find a channel at
Look at its face.
Ang cute. No present for Zach. We have to put this in.
same.
You wanna start? Do you know which one is which? No, there's a name at the back. And then one. Okay. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Nana, Merry Christmas, Nana.
Oh, thank you, darling. Nana.
Oh, Zach, they have here Zach with that chocolate.
What is it?
And this is one for Shannon.
Oh, sorry, because I need new ones.
Is that for me?
Yeah, and this one, Amy, for Pa and Uncle Jace with that one with the red.
No, you
They're gonna get two, Zach. They're gonna get two. Find Uncle Jace.
Okay.
Get one. And is that Uncle Jace? He choose that one, Uncle Jace. Ayan kay Dad.
What do you get? Woo! Oh no, I ran out.
Oh, you run out? I knew you like that one. Sakay, choose that one.
That one? No.
Ah, no, that one, Uncle Jace.
Whoa.
Is that fit you, Dad?
Yeah.
I was getting the extra large and Sakay said, Mom, just large for Pa. It's not that big. Yeah, no, that one extra large. That's the biggest one. Look at look what Zachary choose. Car. Yes. Kasi, is it gonna fit you, Uncle Jay? Yeah, extra large. Oh, from
Nana and
Pa. Wow, Nana and Pa.
Oh, we got.
Buti na hindi ako kumuha niyan.
That's your door.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I've stapled it to there so you don't lose it.
Ah. Oh, you got card.
What is it? It'll be going
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a Visa card.
Visa card. You got Visa card, Zach.
Okay, I'm gonna
What you gonna say to Nana and Pa?
Thank you.
Hmm. Oh, ha? Pinag-uusapan na nila kung anong bibili nila. What you gonna get, Baba? What you gonna get? You can go shopping anywhere there.
From Holly. This
Holly.
from Willow, Highland and Hunter.
What you gonna say to Auntie Tulana and the family? Thank you. Oh, wow, Rebel.
I got Snickles.
Oh, Smiggle for you. Wow.
Don't know yet.
Coles. I got Coles. Because he loves rice. Oh, yun na, Asian store, kuya, for your rice?
I know what
That's for me.
Mom and Dad.
Can you open it for us?
Vouchers, like cards that they can use at Rebel Sport.
Wow. Open it, Zach. Holy.
Instead of getting bits and pieces and all that.
Yeah, give it to me. I'm gonna put on my collection. Oh, you got more?
Go and show Uncle Jace what's in there.
Huh. What you got, Baba?
Don't show Uncle Jace.
Ah.
Show Uncle Jace what you got in there.
Yeah. Dami nilang chocolates. Oh. Elf. Ah, this is the one you said. The puff. Nagpa-puff to, guys.
Oh, what are we waiting for?
I got this.
Oh my God, there's more.
Yeah, this is from Ina and Uncle Jace.
What you gonna say?
Thanks.
That's for me. Wow. Ah, what's that? Wow, what's that, Baba? Kuya.
Oh, you got the remote.
Oh.
They're one of them good ones.
Oh. gustong gusto yan ni Kuya. Car, yung may remote control.
So,
Wow.
guinea pig and it has babies.
Where did you get that from, Auntie Mel? Oh, you have the same.
So which one do we
Ollie.
What?
Holly, you've got to like feed her and everything, and then
Yeah, you have to look after like a pet. Like your little pet. What you gonna say to everyone? Yay! Wow!
I think you can use this one. It's middle too.
Manganganak yung pet ni Holly. Pag nag-flashing daw na heart. Oh, are you gonna open it now? Sila ni Auntie nag-enjoy sila. Hinintay nila. Sobrang matagal din yung hintay nila. Where's the baby? It didn't come out?
Oh, it's stuck.
Oh, oh no. Na-stuck yung baby. You waited for that long? Ang tagal nila naghintay dito. Tinawag niya pa si Oli. Nagsiswimming yan.
Start again.
Oh, they're gonna restart it again.
They put him in front. I need it.
Hang on, we're gonna.
Time check guys. Ano na? 4:42. 4:42. So, andito na sila. Nagpalit na sila. And si ma'am, ayan. Pumunta siya sa store. Yan, nagustuhan ni ma'am. Binigay ko sa kanya. Korean clothes. Yung nagustuhan niya. Korean top. Gusto niya maluwag. Si Sak.
Para hindi makita ang taba.
Parang hindi raw makita ang taba. Ang ganda yan, Korean. And si Saki, nakain niya na yung chocolate na nasa malit na paper bag. Si John, para siya yung nagluto. Ayan, nag-snore pa siya kanina. Tulog na tulog. Para siya yung napagod magluto. Pero naglinis naman kasi siya. Inihintay niya pa rin na manganak yung kanyang pet.
I hope Animal put him in for me because I do not want to wait for it again.
O kasi, hindi nasarap pala kaya hindi lumabas yung bata. May open na dito parang door. Ayun na, nanganak na guys. After that. Oh, look it.
I just found it.
You just found it. Yeah, very low. What happened? Oh, ayan na yung mga
Is that one more stuck in there?
No, that's it.
That's
Just
it,
one,
Baba.
you only
That's
get
it.
one.
You only get one.
I got two.
Ayan,
Oh, you
nanganak
did get
na.
two.
And there's a gift as well.
Oh, I got
Count-
three.
Oh, you got all
Three.
three.
Where?
Cute.
I
Di
think
natin
this one.
naghulugan na
I think
sila.
This is her.
So they come out here until mga here. Ay, ang cute. And one now.
She's got to put them back in there.
Okay, so ilalagay.
Oh. So
Oh.
you don't shut.
Yeah, before it wasn't. So yan. Ibabalik niya yung mga bata dyan. Oh. Yeah,
Don't lose all
don't lose it. Yeah. You have to put it back, okay? Si Kuya, nakailan na tong, how many you got already? Since you sit here. Si Kuya, kanina pa siya kumakain ng spring rolls. Nagutom yan sa pagsiswimming. Si Sakina niya. Yeah, there's cheese in there. Yeah.
There's not.
Yeah, there is. Oh! Tingnan si Holly. Enjoy na enjoy siya dyan sa pet niya. Si Sako, ang dami yung nakain. Oh, na lollies.
We could do ours.
Yung mga adults, except kay Jan, nandun sila nagiinuman. Si Jan tulog kasi hindi naman yan umiinom. Boring talaga to si Johnny Boy. Hindi man lang umiinom. Kanina, nandyan din siya sa labas. Napagod na siguro siya sa init kasi mainit yung labas ngayon. May hangin pero mainit. Kaya swim sila ng swim. How many times you went to the pool? 3? Twice? Twice. Alis na si Auntie Mel. Tsaka si Dad. Alis na sila. Kasi alas 5 na. Magdi-dinner sila kila Emma. Doon naman sila. Kami dito. Ang dami pa nating food. Enjoy na enjoy si Holly sa kanyang mga alaga. Oh. Nice gift from Tita Mel. Huh?
I'm gonna try the hair
Okay.
later. I think they're
Tingnan yung
I think I'm gonna put them back
yung
in
cook natin. Oh. Siya po talaga yung nagluto. Oh. Siya po ang nagluto at walang tulog kahapon ay kagabi. Oh, diba? Uwi ng mga bisita, tulog na tulog pa si Sir.
And I'm gonna go to
Maybe Tuesday.
yeah.
When it's hot. I'll bring the paddleboard.
Baka alis kami.
Can I go with you? Where you going on Tuesday? So,
So, ito sa mo. Oo, kasi yung barko nila, yung kayak nila, gagamitin sa Tuesday. Kasi,
next week or this
no, this week. This Tuesday, right?
Oh, we're not bringing the van down.
No. No, I mean, no, the kayak. Oh, it's, no, all the babies are here.
Oh, yeah, you can't have any
You
babies.
cannot have a babies. That's why
You
you,
just put her in there. You can still play with the babies.
yeah.
Wait, can't you put it back in and then make it go back down?
Yeah.
Yeah, but she's playing it.
To just play with the babies.
So dyan, alis ng mga bisita, tulog pa rin
Come
siya.
out, say goodbye to Nana and Pa.
Oh yeah, go outside and say bye-bye to Nana and Pa.
And Uncle Jay.
Uncle Jason and... alis na sila. Nag-shake hand siya kay Uncle Jason. Why are you shaking hands? Bye.
We don't
See you,
hug.
Pa.
Chona, we don't hug.
See
we
you.
shake hands, us boys.
Oops.
Well, you're cold.
Nag-shake hands sila, oh. Ayan yung, mahulog, Mama. Yan yung dala ni Ma'am. Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow.
Thanks.
Okay. See,
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, thanks.
ang ganda ng outfit ni Ma'am tsaka ni Dad.
Two cans in there.
Don't forget your eski, Uncle Jace. See ya. Thank you for coming. Merry Christmas. So, si Kuya, tulong na siya doon. Tingnan niyo yung ano nila. Ito kay Dad. Ito kay... Oh, wow. We're gonna help. They're gone. Kay Uncle Jace, kay Auntie Mel. Oh, diba? Meron pang isa doon si Uncle Jace. Ah, ang dami pa. Ayan, oh. 10 cents din to. Oh, hindi na nila dinala. Oh. Dito natin yan ilagay para mamaya kolektahin ng tulog nating nagluto. Pagod na pagod si Sir. Parang siya talaga nagluto. Dapat ako ang matulog kasi kulang ang tulog natin. Yan. Ginising. Ginising ni Sak si daddy niya. Sabi niya, Dad, they're going home. Hurry up. Say bye. Ayan. Ayan na. Oh, your iPad, Mom. Get, Nana's iPad. Oh. Kalimutan mo iPad mo.
Hindi ko kinalimutan.
Hindi mo kinalimutan yung blouse, pero yung iPad mo, kinalimutan mo. Mamumulaklak na sila. Ayan, oh. Pipitasin ko ang mga to para ilagay natin dun sa flower vase natin, or vase. Okay. See ya. Come on, Ali. Bye. Bye, Uncle Jace. Wow. You're so tired cooking, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Okay, tahimik na yung bahay. Yeah, it's 5. So, yan na yung dinner natin mamaya. Yan. Yung kusina, malinis na. Ay, yung kitchen dito. Ang cute ng dalawa. Naglilinis na sila sa labas. Ako magnanap ako, guys. Kasi kulang na kulang yung tulog ko. Yeah. Natulog ako. Kailangan ko magnap kasi kulang talaga yung tulog natin. And pag nagutom yung mga bata, ayan, ready ang food. Tulungan na lang nilang sarili nila. Ako magsi-seafood ako mamaya pag gising ko. Meron tayong lobster, may oysters. Yeah, may hipon. Yeah, what are you looking? Battery.
I need one more.
Naghanap siya ng battery.
Found two,
I hope...
and Zach found his blue one. Now he doesn't know where to put it.
Okay. So, naghanap sila ng batteries para dun sa
Found it.
regalo natin sa kanila.
Mine's triple A. And
Yan,
then I
triple A
found
kasing
the
kailangan.
extra one.
Linis na si Jan. Okay, matulog muna tayo. Who's this one?
Mine.
What? Yeah, but not the bag.
Dad, 3 batteries and it's working.
Take it out.
Hindi pa sabi ko sa inyo. Magnanap ako. Kain mo tayong spring rolls. Kanina ko pa ito pre-night.
Mom,
Crispy
I'm
pa.
going to Smiggles and you can pick
Meron
any.
yata silang 100 worth
And
of
you can-
gift cards.
And Mom, you can pick any of these that you want
Each
to
of
go.
them. Yeah.
Because I'm being kind because I already got one. And wait, Mom, do you give it to them? This? Oh, wait, could you
Kanina naputol tayo kasi
Wait,
nalobat.
Mom. after if you buy one, is that all you can get?
Yeah.
Could you go buy more though?
No, depend how much it costs or what you're getting.
50. 50?
Yeah, I mean, the other one is 50.
Wait, what's the stick part?
There's $100.
We don't have Rebel down here.
No, only in Adelaide. Sarap.
Cause I think I do want you next to me.